Right now, another digital guru is recording their screen, showing you $1 million Stripe dashboard to sell you a $200 course. What they don't show you is that with a simple right-click, selecting Inspect Element, anyone can rewrite a banking web page to display whatever numbers they want. The internet's passive income landscape is built on fake code and manufactured authority. I am tired of the screenshots. So today, I decided to run a different experiment. I put a physical countdown timer on my desk set to exactly 45 minutes. My objective? Build a real, functional, cash-producing AI B2B automation asset from absolute scratch, live on screen, using nothing but low-code infrastructure. No theories, no courses, just pure raw development. If you want to escape the corporate matrix, you must stop consuming entertainment and start analyzing architecture. By the end of this video, you will not only see the gurus exposed, but you will also possess the exact blueprint to deploy your own software integration framework before the timer hits 0. Subscribe, activate your alerts, and let's start the clock. The timer is running. The first phase of building a staffless digital asset is defining the operational friction point. We are not selling t-shirts or faceless videos. We are targeting local healthcare and dental clinics whose front desk staff take hours to respond to patient requests. Every delayed minute is lost enterprise revenue. Minute 10. I open a clean visual canvas inside make.com. Instead of writing thousands of lines of complex Python code, we deploy cloud software nodes. Node 1 captures incoming webhooks from the clinic's booking page. Node 2 acts as the data router. The architecture is modular, clean, and has an operational cost of less than $9 a month. Minute 20. We need a cognitive core. I connect the data pipeline straight to the OpenAI Assistant API. But a standard ChatGPT prompt is useless here. We inject a specialized system instruction protocol, forcing the AI to act as a cold, elite medical scheduler that references a live database of available calendar slots. Look at the screen right now. We trigger a synthetic inbound request mimicking a real client asking for an emergency root canal appointment at midnight. The software webhook catches the ping, passes it through the AI core, checks the clinic calendar, and returns a professional, finalized booking link within 2.4 seconds. The human delay has been permanently eradicated. Gurus tell you that creating software solutions requires a computer science degree or a high-end dev agency budget. They want you to think it's impossible, so you keep buying their pre-packaged shortcuts. Low-code visual engineering has completely democratized the technology landscape. The leverage belongs entirely to the individual who knows how to connect APIs. Minute 35. A system without automated monetization is just a hobby. I drag the final node onto the canvas. Stripe billing. We configure a monthly licensing recurring model. The moment the clinic activates this digital asset, the payment infrastructure automatically secures our subscription fee, operating entirely in the background. 10 minutes remain on the physical desk timer. The infrastructure is fully locked, the API keys are verified, and the delivery pipeline is armed. We have officially built a high-value corporate asset in less time than it takes to commute to a traditional corporate desk. But now comes the real test. Deploying this engine into the wild to secure our first enterprise payment. Minute 38. The software core is ready, but a silent asset generates zero cash. With the clock ticking down, I activate a pre-built data scraper. The target is immediate. Identify nearby local healthcare providers with low Google Maps review response rates and delayed operational interfaces. The system scrapes 20 qualified corporate leads in 60 seconds. Instead of a long, emotional sales email that gets flagged as spam, the system fires an analytical diagnostic breakdown. It automatically alerts the target business to the exact dollar amount they lose every month due to delayed appointment bookings, attaches a video demonstration of our new 45-minute AI engine, and delivers an automated contract link. Minute 42. 3 minutes remaining on the desk clock. The system tracks the email opens in real time. Suddenly, a notification ping triggers. A local dental practice operator has opened the diagnostic report, viewed the automated video framework running, and clicked on the transactional infrastructure link. Look at the screen. Less than 120 seconds before the physical timer hits 0, the Stripe web interface triggers a live webhook confirmation. Subscription activated. A recurring monthly licensing fee of $350 settles into our corporate account. The architecture has officially validated itself before the clock ran out. Now let's look at the cold mathematical truth versus the guru narrative. The internet fake gurus want you to invest thousands into inventory or complicated retail systems because they make a commission off your infrastructure tools. This B2B asset required 0 physical products, 0 inventory, and exactly 45 minutes of visual code execution. Our total operational cost for this enterprise setup? $10 a month for the Make.com execution nodes, and less than $2 in OpenAI API tokens for every 1,000 customer messages processed. The profit margin is mathematically locked at near 97%. This is why the digital elite stay silent. They are too busy collecting infrastructure margins. The true beauty of this framework is its copy and paste scale velocity. Now that the template is locked inside our visual developer canvas, replicating it for the next 50 dental clinics requires exactly 3 clicks of a button. The replication cost is exactly $0, allowing you to multiply your income streams without adding an ounce of operational weight. The corporate matrix survives by convincing you that building real digital cash flow requires a massive tech team, millions in VC funding, or months of intense labor. They want you trapped in the compliance loop. 45 minutes and a laptop are completely sufficient to challenge an entire localized traditional business model. We have exposed the trick and delivered the live verification. The fake screenshots have been replaced by real system engineering. But running one single automated node is only the entry parameter. To transform this 45-minute setup into a resilient multi-tier business, you must wrap it in a proper strategic defensive envelope. In the final block of this live development experiment, I am going to reveal the exact system prompt template used inside the AI Assistant core, map the long-term compounding projection of this single template, and set up the final open loop that connects this setup to your absolute freedom. To guarantee the AI core never breaks character or hallucinates fake data, we inject a rigid system command. The prompt dictates, "You are a clinical automation router. You will exclusively output clean JSON format containing time slots. Do not include conversational prose, greetings, or polite filler." This structural constraint ensures enterprise reliability. If you execute this exact 45-minute setup just twice a week, your asset portfolio expands by 24 automated corporate templates in 90 days. Even with a conservative client churn rate, you are constructing a recurring digital framework that compounds while your fixed software overhead remains completely frozen. Most people watching this will close the tab and return to doomscrolling viral content, looking for the next hit of dopamine from a guru screenshot. They are addicted to the illusion of progress. The sovereign architect watches a system architecture blueprint and immediately isolates themselves to deploy the nodes. Remember, every recurring dollar generated by your Make.com templates is a unit of your biological time rescued from the traditional job matrix. You are not building a side hustle to afford luxury consumer goods. You are programming an economic shield designed to purchase your complete, lifelong sovereignty. Do not post your ideas on social media. Do not announce your project to skeptical friends who are trapped in the traditional 9-to-5 compliance loops. Move in complete, clinical silence. Build the automation canvas, hook the webhooks, collect the Stripe notifications, and let your bank statement do the talking. Never use the excuse that you lack the hours to build an online enterprise. We have just demonstrated, with a live clock running on this desk, that 45 minutes is all it takes to transition from a passive consumer into an infrastructure owner. You do not lack time, you lack strategic focus. The countdown timer has hit 0, the asset is running, and the blueprint has been fully exposed. It is time to choose your side in this technological shift. Subscribe to this channel, activate your notification shield, and drop a comment below with the word execute, to signal your transition into system architecture. We have successfully bypassed the fake guru screenshots, built a real B2B artificial intelligence engine, triggered active outbound scraping, and captured live enterprise validation in under an hour. The myth of impossible software creation has been completely dismantled. But now that your software nodes are securing client capital, you must prepare for the next operational bottleneck: handling the massive inflow of transactional data without allowing your system security to drop or exposing your digital pipeline to cloud architecture failures. To protect the automated income engine you just learned to build, you must master the defensive allocation protocols of the elite. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now, where we break down the exact 3-bucket strategy to permanently secure your newly generated capital.